Total body photography assists in the early detection of skin cancer and is valuable for avoiding unnecessary biopsies. It allows the capturing and analyzing of total body images by storing photos of different body parts and supports you in detecting new or changing lesions. To get started, go to your patients list and select the patient you wish to add total body images to and press the icon at the bottom. Select the Serial Total Body Photography button and you will be able to quickly take images in order of the body parts listed, starting with the head. To begin, make sure you tap to focus and press the camera button. You now have the option of cropping or retaking your image. Once happy, press Next and continue imaging until completed. You can also skip body parts if they do not require imaging. Alternatively, you can directly select a body part and image individually. It is extremely important that the image acquisition is done correctly. For high-quality images, maintain a distraction-free and consistent background in a well-lit space. For serial images, you will now be able to use the Ghost template to help obtain comparable images. Next to the body part segment, you will notice the number of images uploaded for that patient. Simply select the body part you wish to image, then tap on the camera icon. Previously taken images will appear at the bottom of the screen, where if tapped, a silhouette of the image will appear to assist you in taking a new image as close to the old one as possible. Designed to connect seamlessly between your smartphone and computer, DermEngine goes wherever you do. You have the power to take images directly from the DermEngine app, where they will be uploaded to the web platform in real time. Or if you prefer, you can take the images with your own camera, where they can easily be uploaded onto the web platform. You are now able to map your lesions. To begin, go to your patient and use the three-dot icon to select TBP images. Select a body part in the image you would like to map to the 3D body map. You can select a spot by clicking on it, where you'll notice a teal circle appear around it. To document multiple spots at once, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click on as many spots as you'd like. When ready, click Start Mapping or select the body icon. One by one, DermEngine will highlight the selected lesions on the image and prompt you to place the corresponding spot on the patient's body map. Here you can add a new spot or click on an existing spot, which will be a faint teal color to help you easily differentiate it. As you map the lesions, you'll notice them appear in the right side column. The existing spots will include their spot name and number. Please note, once a spot has been mapped, you have 3 seconds to undo this from the screen. So take your time when mapping a new spot. For your convenience, the Images and Detected Lesions tab will automatically switch based on your actions. Once finished, click Save to Body Map. For back images, you have the option of manual or bulk mapping. Bulk mapping is helpful for patients who have a lot of lesions that you wish to map to the 3D body map. To get started, adjust the slider to your preferred sensitivity and click Start Mapping. You can now resize the red rectangle to reflect the same area as the body map. When ready, select Map to Body Map, and once you're happy with the results, click Submit. In other cases where you only wish to map a few lesions of concern, you can manually map these for a quicker experience. Simply click the lesions you'd like to map and click on the body map icon. From here, you have the option of immediately taking images from the DermEngine app by clicking Take Images on App. All of the selected lesions will be synced directly onto your linked device, where you can add both clinical and dermoscopic images one by one. Now when you open the DermEngine mobile app, a push notification will appear prompting you to confirm whether you'd like to take dermoscopic images of your selected lesions. Attach your dermoscope and take your image. If you do not wish to take additional images, tap Skip. You also have the option of adding another overview image if needed, otherwise continue imaging until completed. For follow-up appointments, you can now compare images and use lesion matching to automatically detect any changes. To begin matching, click the desired body section, then select the images you would like to compare and click on Start Matching. All detected lesions will be paired in the viewing column on the right. Here, these will be sorted and color-coded based on the amount of change. Purple is for change detected, blue means possible change detected, and gray is no change detected. From here, you have the ability to review the list. Clicking an image will provide you with the following 3 actions: Take image, no change, or wrong match. Please note, when selecting Take Image, if there is a changed lesion that has not already been mapped, you will be prompted to do this on the mobile app. To get a better look at a lesion, use the parallel pan and zoom feature to get a magnified view of both images at once. If you select Wrong Match, the matched pair will be removed. You can also create a new pair at any time. Click on a lesion that you would like to map, then click on its counterpart in the second image. Confirm that you would like this pair to be matched, and your new pair will be labeled as manually added. In addition to parallel pan and zoom, DermEngine offers the flicker tool as an easy method for viewing and detecting changes. Once you've loaded 2 images into the viewing pane, simply click the flicker button. Here, the 2 images will lay over one another and flicker to help highlight any potential changes. You can zoom in on certain lesions to notice any subtle differences. Enjoy the efficiency and quality of total body photography. Dermatology made intelligent.